वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। आज हम जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है नेशनल एनिमल एंड नेशनल बर्ड्स। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Which is the national animal of Finland? A polar bear, B brown bear, C horse, and option D sheep. And the correct answer is option B brown bear. Next question. Which is the national bird of US? A peacock, B kangaroo, C eagle, and option D blood eagle. And the correct answer is option D blood eagle. Next question. Which is the national animal of US? A African bison, B American bison, C kangaroo, and D grey fox. And the correct answer is option B American bison. Next question. Which is the national animal of Italy? A wolf, B fox, C grey wolf, D tiger. And the correct answer is option A wolf. Next question. Which is the national bird of Italy? A Italian sparrow, B red sparrow, C white peacock, and D Italian nightingale. Correct answer is option A Italian sparrow. Next question. Which is the national animal of Nepal? A lion, B tiger, C cow, and D dog. And the correct answer is option C cow. Next question. Which is the national bird of Finland? A mute swan, B red swan, C whooper swan, and D swan. Correct answer is option C whooper swan. Next question. Which is the national animal of Bangladesh? A tiger, B Royal Bengal tiger, C grey wolf, and D lion. And the correct answer is option B Royal Bengal tiger. Next question. Which is the national bird of Nepal? A parrot, B owl, C Himalayan owl, and D Himalayan monal. The correct answer is option D Himalayan monal. Next question. Which is the national bird of Bangladesh? A robin, B doel, C parrot, and D bulbul. And the correct answer is option B doel. Next question. Which is the national animal of Mexico? A solo dog, B dolphin, C Malaysian tiger, and D jaguar. And the correct answer is option D jaguar. Next question. Which is the national bird of Mexico? A golden eagle, B white eagle, C hawk, and D red peacock. The correct answer is option A golden eagle. Next question. Which is the national bird of Poland? A white stork, B white-tailed eagle, C ostrich, and D Philippine eagle. And the correct answer is option B white-tailed eagle. Next question. Which is the national animal of Australia? A red kangaroo, B kiwi, C kangaroo, and D American bison. Correct answer is option A red kangaroo. Next question. Which is the national bird of Australia? A robin, B emu, C American flamingo, and D penguin. And the correct answer is option B emu. Next question. Which is the national animal of India? A lion, B Bengal tiger, C tiger, and D elephant. And the correct answer is option B Bengal tiger. Next question. Which is the national bird of Denmark? A duel, B Himalayan swan, C mute swan, and D swan. Correct answer is option C mute swan. Next question. Which is the national animal of Denmark? A red squirrel, B black squirrel, C panda, and D dolphin. The correct answer is option A, red squirrel. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.